Okay, in the previous class we discussed about merge sort. Okay, what is divide and conquer approach? Then we discussed what is merge sort. Okay, so uh, today I'm just going through the topics. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, so okay, so first we discussed what is divide and conquer approach. Okay, so what is divide and conquer approach? Then uh, the corresponding control abstraction. Okay, the corresponding control abstraction. uh, so the concept is simple. If there is a problem p, we want to, if first we check if the problem is too small, then solve it and return the solution. Okay, else divide p into smaller instances p1 p2 etc pk, then apply dnc, divide and conquer, to each of the subproblem. Okay. So here the subproblems are P1, P2, etc. Pk. For each of them, I want to apply DNs, divide and conquer function. Okay, this function. Then at last I want to combine the solution of each subproblem. Okay. So this is the general structure of a divide and conquer problem. Okay. Next we discussed a classical example is merge sort. We discussed this topic. Okay, so basically there is an array. What we will do, we will perform division. Okay, so initially this is the array. Okay, so based on the mid value. Okay, based on the mid value or middle value. So based on the middle value, we will divide this array into sub arrays. Okay, so uh, that is called a divide step. Okay, so it is a two-way merge sort. Okay, why it's two-way? There are two phases. One is divide phase and other is merge phase. Okay, so during the divide phase, what we will do, based on the mid value, we will divide this into subarrays. Okay, so basically based on the value of mid. Okay, based on the value of mid. So here, this is the mid value. Based on this, we will divide. The process is repeated how many times? The process is repeated in this way. Basically it will goes in this way. First we will divide this, then we divide this. Okay, then we divide this, we divide this, then this is stopped here. Why? Because it contains only a single element. Okay, so the division stop here in this path. Okay, next we divide here. Okay. Divide here, then stopped here, then stopped here. Okay, so in this way I will divide the entire array. Okay, so after this what I will do is that uh, I will combine this. Okay, you can note here, and this is the base. In this way it will work. Okay, so I moved from this path. Okay, in this path, in green color, I showed the path. Okay, in that path I moved. In that path I performed division. Okay, so what will happen? uh, so I moved in this way, then I reached at this point. Okay, then what I will do, then I will this one and this one. Okay, then I will perform merge. Okay, then I will perform merge operation here. Here I will merge this one and this one. At the same time of merging, I will do the sorting also. Okay, so 5 and 15. Okay, so this is over. Okay, then what I will do, I will merge this with this one. Okay, so this is merged, this is merged, then also I sorted. Then I will get this in this way. Then what I will do, after doing this, again I come back to this point. Okay, I performed this also. Okay, then I reached back here. Okay, here I will come back, then I will follow this path, then again I will divide. Okay, just to understand the how the division is doing. After combining it, I will go back and again divide. This divided, this divided, then what I will do, this is combined, this is combined. Okay, just to understand how the control flow will go. Okay, so this I will combine. Okay, so 1 and 8 will come. Next what I will do, this is completed. Okay, so next what I will do, I will combine this one with this one, this one with this one. Okay, because it's already merged, this is combined with this, then this is formed. Okay, then again I will go back to here, then I will go back to here, then I go in this path. Okay. In this way it will work. Anyway, okay, just try to understand the working of this. Okay, now, next we discussed the algorithm. Okay, so uh, in this, basically this is the recursion tree corresponding to the that merge. Okay, that merge sort. Okay, this is the recursion tree corresponding to that merge sort. I will explain this later. Okay, so I'm going to the algorithm. So uh, this is the algorithm, and as we know, there are two algorithms. One is for the merge sort. Okay, so it is a recursive algorithm. Hmm? It is a recursive algorithm. Okay, in the previous class there is some connection issues and presentation problems, so I am repeating this. Okay, so uh, now this is the algorithm. Okay, now this is the algorithm. Okay, mm, and, this is the merge sort algorithm, and the parameter to this algorithms are low and mid, low and high. Okay, the parameters are low and high, and there is an array A in which the data already stored, which is defined as a global array. Okay, so no need to pass to this function. Okay, that is the concept of global array. Global array means that array can be accessed by any function. Okay, so we don't want to pass that array to this function, so we are assuming here the array A is global array. Okay, here the array A is global array in which the data is stored. Next what we will do, so first we will check the two parameters low and high. If low less than high, then what we will do, we will calculate mid. Okay, then we will calculate mid. Mid is equal to low plus high by 2, and here which function is applied, floor function is applied. Okay, floor function. What is the use of floor function? Suppose you got low plus high, for example, 7 plus 2, so you will get 3.5, then it is converted into 3. Similarly, suppose 3 plus 2 5, 5 by 2 is 2.5, so it should be floored, then it is 2. Okay, so uh, for that we are using floor function. Anyway, we calculate the mid value, then what we will call, what we will do, we will call this function, that is basically this is divide step. Okay, we call this function with the, this is very important parameter, low and mid. Okay, low and mid. Okay, then second, again we call the merge sort with the mid plus 1 and high. Okay, mid plus 1 and high. So this is called the divide step. Okay, this is divide step. Then this is the combine step. Then what I will do, during the combine step, I will call merge with the parameter. These parameters are very important, low, mid, high. Low, mid, high. Okay, so this is about the merge sort algorithm. Just we can go to the working. So you can imagine in this way. So this is low, this is high, this is low and this is high. Then in the first step we calculate mid. Okay, m. Then what we will do, we will divide this in based on mid value. So mid is 1, so it is divided in this way. Okay, similarly the next portion is this. In this way we are dividing. Okay, just try to understand that concept. Okay. So in this case this will be low. After dividing, this will be low, this the last element will be mid. Okay, mid. Then this element will be m plus 1, mid plus 1 element, mid plus 1th element. Okay, mid plus 1th element, and this is high. Okay, in this way we are dividing. Okay, so try to understand that concept. Okay, so anyway, so this is about the algorithm. In this way we will divide and combine. So for combining or for merging, we will use this function. We will use this function merge. The parameters are low, mid, and high. Okay. So we can discuss the working later. Now I'm explaining how this work. Okay, how this will work. Okay, so basically this is the recursion tree corresponding to that example. Okay, so this is your example. This is the example we are considering. Then this is the recursion tree corresponding to this. Okay, I will just explain the working, then how the recursion will work. Okay, I will explain. So okay, so initially I call the merge sort function with the parameter, which are the parameter 0, 8. What is 0? What is 8? So this is 0. Okay. This is 0. Initially this is 0th position, and this is 8th position. Okay. So this is an array A. Okay. So initially we will call the merge sort with the parameter 0, 8. 0 is low and 8 is high. Okay. So that is here, merge sort of 0, 8. Okay. Okay, please give your attendance in the chat box. Okay, in that order. Agash. Okay. Okay, I will take attendance again. Please just put your attendance now. Okay. So we are starting from the root. Okay, we initially call the merge sort ms. Okay, ms means a merge sort function with the parameters 0 comma 8. Okay, so what this function will do, we can go to the algorithm. As we know what we will do, we will calculate mid value. Okay, so first it will check low less than high, 0 less than 8. So what we will do, calculate a mid value. Mid is equal to low plus high by 2, 0 plus 8 by 2 is 4. Okay, so mid is fourth position. Okay, so mid is fourth position. Then what we will do, we will call the same function with this. Okay, merge sort of low comma mid, that is we are calling the same function, this one. Okay, the same function is called ms is called with 0 comma 4. What is 0? 0 is low, and what is 4? 4 is the mid. Okay, so we called this. Okay, okay, so we call this. Then what we will do, then again we will call the merge function. Again we will call the merge function. We can go to the algorithm. uh, Here, after this call, we will again call this one. Wait. Okay, please wait. Okay. Okay. So after the first call, we will again call the merge function with the parameter mid plus 1 comma I. Okay, so in this case, what is mid plus 1? You can note here. That is, here you can note ms of 5 comma 8. Okay, so uh, this function called ms of 0 comma 4, ms of 5 comma 8. Ms means merge sort. Okay, ms. Then what it will do, so the two calls are made, then it calls mg. Okay, mg. We can go to the algorithm. So then it will call this one. Okay, in this way the recursion will work. Okay, this 0 is low. This is also very important. I am calling mg merge function with the parameter. Which are the parameters I want to use? You can note here this one's low value. Okay, this parameter, then mid value. This is mid value. Okay, this is low value, this is mid value. Okay, then in this call, okay, this is h value. Okay, h value, high value. Then the merge is performed in this way. You can note here 0 comma 4 comma 8. Okay, that is 0 is the low, m is 4. Then in this function, high value, that are the parameter. This parameter is passed to the merge function, then it will perform merging. Okay, so uh, understand how the merge sort will work. Okay, okay. So just note that. Then what we will do, after calling this, these three functions are called. This one is called, this one is called, this one is called. Okay, so three functions are called. So it will be stored in the recursion stack. Okay, in the first module, we discussed a topic how a recursion work. Okay, this will be the image of that will be stored in the recursion stack. Anyway, we don't want to bother about that. Okay. So now what we will do, I will execute this one next. Okay, I called this. Okay, but next what I will do, I will execute this one. Okay, so what will happen, it will again call. Okay, it will again call ms with value 0 comma 2. Okay, it will again call with 0 comma 2. So in this case what will be mid will be 2. What is mid? Mid will be 2. Okay, 0 plus 4 by 2, which is 2. So this function is again called. ms is again called with 0 comma 2. Then it will call this function, that is 3 comma 4. Okay, ms of 3 comma 4. Then it will call mg with which parameter? You can note in the previous example I discussed this parameter 0, then this parameter, this parameter. So 0 to 4. Okay, this is also called. Okay, so so uh, next which will be executed, this will be executed. Okay, it will again divide. This will be executed. Okay, this is not executed, this is just called. Okay, this is executed. Okay, so first this is executed, then this is executed, then this is executed. Then what will happen? So next it will again call 3, ms of 0 comma 1, ms of 2 comma 2, mg of 0 comma 1 2. Okay, so uh, it is 0 comma 1 because in this case what is mid value? Mid is equal to, sorry, okay, what is mid value? What is mid value? M is equal to, you cannot. Okay, anyway, in this case what is mid value? 0 plus 2 by 2, 1. So in this case ms of 0 comma 1, ms of 2 comma 2, then mg. Okay, so this function will call this one and this will be executed. Okay, this will be executed. You can note the order of the execution. Okay, so this will be executed. Okay, so what it will happen next? So this will again call ms of 0 0, ms of 1 1, and mg of 0 1. Okay, not here. This, then this is executed. So only one element 15 is there. Okay, so this we can't divide this further, so we reached at the base case. Okay, so stop there. Then what will happen next? So this is completed. Okay, we reached the base case. Okay, so next what will happen? It will it will be executed. This will be executed. So this, we reached the base case, so this is also. Next what we will do, basically after completing this we will go back here, then we will go to here, this will be completed, then we go back to here, then we will perform merge. Okay, so mg of 0 0 1, so 0 is 15, 0 is, so these two are merged, then the array will be like this. Okay, you can note the indexing also, 0 comma 1, 0th position 5 will come, 15th position 1 will come. So this is also finished. Okay, so basically this function finished its working. Okay, then what we will do, we will go back to where we started to call. Okay, here I called, then I reached back here. Okay, then what will happen? It will again go to here. Okay, control will reach us here, and what will happen next? So it get executed. Okay, so ms of 2 comma 2. So this is a base case. So I completed my working here. Okay, then I go back to where I called. Okay, I reached back here. This is the exact working. So I reached back here. Okay, I reached back here. Then what we will do? I will go to here. Okay, then I will perform merge. Okay, merge of 0 comma 1 comma 2. So 0 and 1 are here. Okay, you cannot here. 0 1 is here, 2 is here, so this should be merged. Okay, this should be merged. This should be merged. Okay, then this will be there. Okay, so this is also completed. Okay, then what I will do? I will go back to where I will go back. I will go back to the function, the parent function. Okay, so where I will go back and explain the working. Okay, so I will go back to the here. Okay, then I will go back here. This also finished. Okay, this also finished. Then I will go back to its parent. Then I will again, then where I will go? I will go back this. Sorry, I will go to this. Okay, then I will execute this. Okay, so what will happen? So I will execute this one next. Okay, so it will again call three function. Okay, so it will again call three function. Okay, ms of this one. Okay, this one, this one. Okay, so which will be executed at first? It will be executed at first. Okay, so it is done its work. Then go back to ms of 3 comma 4. Then it will, we will go to here. Okay, then it gets executed. Okay, so reached base case, this is finished. Then we go to here. Then we will perform merge 3 comma 3 comma 4. So 3 and 4 are positions at 3 and 4 are merged. Then this is the result of that. Then this is finished. These three are finished. So I go back to this. This also finished. Okay, then what I will do? I will go back to its parent. Okay, this is parent. Then from this I will go back. This is the exact working actually. I will go back to its parent. Okay, I'll go back to its parent. Then what I will do? After going back, I will come back this path and I call. Then this is executed. So what is this? mg0 merge. So I want to merge which of them? I want to merge. Okay, so I want to merge. Okay, I want to merge this one. We can note here. I want to merge 0 comma 2 comma 4. Okay, so I want to merge this and 0 to 2. You can note here 0 comma 2 comma 4. So what I want to do? I want to merge 0 to then 4. Here 4 is there. I want to merge these two. Okay, okay, so after merging this will be like this. Okay. So this also completed. Okay, so what we will do? I merged this. Okay, please observe. Okay, uh, so I merged this, then this is the result. Okay, these are merged. These are merged. Basically you cannot hear. This is the merge process. In this way, this and this one is merged. Okay, so how the program will work? I'm explaining how the program will work. So these are merged. Then uh, I will go back to its parent. This also finished. Okay, this also finished. Then what will do next? You can say, and there is a lot of parts, so it will take a lot of time to explain. So this is finished. So uh, this is finished, this is finished, this one is finished. So I will go back to its parent. This also finished. Next I will go back to its parent root. Okay, so what will happen? So I reach back here, then I will go to this. Okay, then I will start to execute this. Then it will work in this way. I'm not fully explaining, please just go through the example. Okay, so it will call again three function. Okay, uh, okay, then this will be executed. After that this will be executed, then it will be executed, then this will be executed. So after performing this, this will be the merged. Then this all completed, then I will complete this, then I will go to here, then again I will call 3. Okay, then I will finish this, then I will call merge, then this. Okay, after completing it, this also finished. Okay, so what next? I will call merge. Okay, mg with 0 comma 4 comma 8. You can note here 0 comma 4 comma 8. Okay, so 8 is here. Okay, and just explain the last one. So this is merged with 0 comma 4 comma 8. So where is 0? This is 0. Okay, not here. This is 0 here. This subarray is merged with 0 comma 4 is this subarray. It is merged with this one. Okay, this one. This is merged with this one, and this will be the result. After performing merge, I will go back to the parent. So I will get a merged sorted array 1358 in this way. Okay. This is the exact working of the recursion tree, or this is the recursion tree corresponding to the merge sort. Okay, so now we are going to explain. Okay, so next we discuss that topic. Okay, next I'm just going to the, so this part is over. Okay, merge sort is over. Okay, next we want to discuss the merge. Okay, how the merge will be performed. Sometimes in the exam they may ask this algorithm. Okay, so how the merge function will work. Okay, so this is the procedure for doing it, and this is the procedure. Okay, you should study this procedure. Okay, uh, I think it's better to give as an assignment and analyze the working. Okay, so so suppose this is the situation. Okay, there is an array A from this is low value 0 mid, and j is equal to mid plus 1 high. Okay, then I want to merge these two. Okay, then I want to merge these two. So for merging, what I will do, I will call the merge function with which parameter? This is 0. You cannot hear, this is 0. Okay, this is mid value. You cannot hear 2. Then this is the second array of that high. Okay, so 4. I will call merge with these three parameters. If I want to merge these two, I will call this with this parameter. Then what will happen? Then this function get executed. Okay, so I think you just analyze the working using this example. Okay, it will take time. So anyway, it's simple. Okay, you know the basics of programming. It is simple. Okay, don't worry. Just using this example, analyze how this algorithm will work. Okay, simple. It's very simple. Just you proceed this algorithm. Okay. Okay, So this is about the merge function. Okay. So from the exam point of view, they may ask this function also. Okay, merge. So next, what we want to do discuss is that the complexity. Okay. So what is the complexity of this algorithm? So uh, going to the complexity analysis, and in the case of this, we can write this in this way. Okay. We can write this is a divide and conquer algorithm. We can write any divide and conquer algorithm using a recurrence equation. Okay, this is the recurrence equation corresponding to the for the merge sort. Okay, so basically this is the base case. The base case always will take a constant time. Okay, so this is constant time, and this is the general case. We know first we are dividing, we are making two calls. Okay, I'm going to the algorithm. uh, okay, uh, I can note here this divide step involves two calls. Okay, okay, the divide step involves two function call. We are calling this merge sort function two times with the size n by 2. Okay, n by 2. Okay, so this is the, so how we will express that idea, how we will express that? So we can write in this way. Okay, so it will be 2 times t of n by 2. So with, this is the complexity, or this is for dividing, time taken to divide. Okay, 2 times t of n by 2. N by 2 is the size of the problem. We are calling the merge of 2 times, to 2 into 2, 2 into t over. Then next is Cn. What is Cn? This is the merge. Okay, time taken to merge. It will be Cn. Okay, it will be Cn, and basically Cn. Okay, so this is the merge algorithm. This is the merge algorithm, and it will take n. It will be the complexity. Okay, so so this algorithm will take n. So uh, this will be n. We are merging. For merging, the complexity time taken is depend on n only. So we will write the function in this way. Okay, so you can note here d plus m. M is Cn. M is for merge time. Okay, so next, what we can do, this is a recurrence equation. We can analyze and find the complexity now. Here substitution method is applied, or you can apply the recursion tree method also. Okay, so okay, you can apply recursion tree method also. Anyway, after solving you get an n log n. Okay, if you are solving it using recursion tree method, it will be like this. Initially n is there, I am dividing n by 2, n by 2 size problems. Okay, then it will take n. Okay, in this way I will divide in this way. Using any method you can analyze, then finally you will get n log n is the time complexity. So this is about the merge sort algorithm. You should study this analysis also. Okay, okay, thank you. Okay, next, okay, please give your attendance. Okay, Akash Shaji. Okay, after giving attendance you can leave. Akash, next. Okay, next. Advaita. Advaita absent. Oh, that's okay. Okay, next.
രാജ്മോഹനാണ്.
Okay. Pranav C absent. Prasanna Nihala. Prasanna Nihala absent. Okay. Roshan. Roshan Roshan absent ആണോ? Roshan okay. Roshan absent. Okay. Next Sahala B. Okay. Next Sahala B Roshan absent ഇട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്. Okay. Next Sahalayan absent. Okay. Sangeeta Saranga Sharun Shraddha. Sangeeta absent. Okay. Saranga Sharun Shraddha. Sharun absent. Sangeeta Saranga Sharun Shraddha. പിന്നെ ബേബി ശ്രീഷ്മ വൈഷ്ണവി വിഷ്ണു വിനോദ് അഞ്ജിത ആൻഡ് ഷിറോണ. വൈഷ്ണവി പ്രസന്റ് ആണോ? വൈഷ്ണവി അബ്സെന്റ്. ഓക്കെ താങ്ക് യു. അഞ്ജിത ആബ്സെന്റ് ആണല്ലോ. ഓക്കെ.
Present, sir.